Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. As you guys can see up on the screen, I wanted to talk a little bit about Powerbridge Technologies today. This is ticker symbol Pbts. This stock had an insane day. Started out opening very high at $1.72, but things just got better and better from there. Ended up closing at around $2.10, and this was a 65% day for Powerbridge. Absolutely crazy, absolutely insane. I mean, to see that kind of gains in just one single day, super crazy. If you were in Pbts before, congratulations. But if you weren't, you're probably wondering, what is Pbts? What is going on here? Why did it pop so crazy, so fast in just a single day? And where could this thing be headed in the future? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video today. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this. I would appreciate it so much. And subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. I think we're like 2 or 3 subs away from 900, so that would be awesome, but we're really trying to hit 1,000. So with you guys' help, we can get there a little bit faster, we get there a little bit quicker, we can be one step closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark. With that being said, let's get right into this. So Powerbridge Technology, an interesting year for them. Even after this big news today, even after being up 65% in a single day, they are still down almost 10% year to date. Obviously peaking out in around February. So the 52-week high is $9.65. It's been quite a fall since then, but this is what the graph for a lot of like speculative companies looks like. At February, January area was just a crazy time in the market, and a lot of people got burned on the way down. But again, if you were buying the dips, if you believed in this company, if you were accumulating shares down here and you know the bottoms, you're doing pretty good right now. You're probably break even. You're probably even up a little bit of money depending on how many shares you were able to accumulate during that time. But again, the big news today, why they're up 65%. Well, I guess first off we can talk about what even the company is for those of you that don't know. This is the Yahoo Finance profile, is a company that provides software application and technology solutions and services primarily in China. It offers Powerbridge system solutions, which includes trade enterprise and trade compliance, as well as import and export loan and insurance processing for customers to streamline their trade operations, trade logistics, and regulatory compliance. So that is a little bit about what Pbts does, but the reason they're up so big today is actually none of that. It is some crypto news. Pbts stock rockets on crypto news. This is from cnafinance.com. I don't think I've read an article from this site before or kind of reacted to an article from this site before, so maybe a little bit something new on the channel. But Pbts has announced that they are going to begin crypto mining. Pbts is screaming from the top in the market hours this morning after the company announced that it's planning on jumping into the cryptocurrency mining arena. In the press release, Pbts said that it plans to invest and engage in the cryptocurrency mining industry. In particular, the company plans to launch global operations surrounding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Pbts went on to explain that it has assembled a team of industry veterans in cryptocurrency and technology to support the development and growth of its digital asset business. So obviously crypto has been all over the news the last couple of years. In the last couple of the last month or so, it's actually been on a little bit of a run. I know Bitcoin went from like 30 to like 47,000. Obviously Ethereum has been upwards of 3,000. The market's been decent. Yeah, we're not at all-time highs or anything like that on the Bitcoin side at least. But things are overall still going pretty good. And not only that, I think a lot of people have kind of bought into the fact that crypto is probably here to stay and is probably going to continue to reach new heights at some point in the future, regardless of what it does in the short term, whether we hit like 52-week lows or anything like that. So adding crypto mining, if you are going to be able to do it into the future, it might not, make a bunch of money right away. It might be expensive to get all the infrastructure in place, but this could be a very powerful potential move, not only in the short term if Bitcoin performs well or Ethereum performs well or whatever, but we're talking in the future, 3, 5, 7, 10 years from now, if Bitcoin can hit 100,000 or 200,000 or whatever, and you have a mining business set up to accumulate a bunch of cryptocurrency, that could be really interesting for Pbts. Now, one thing that I was kind of thinking when I did read about this announcement is that, again, this company is stationed out of China, and obviously China has a lot of regulatory concerns and issues in general, but especially regarding cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, all of the cryptos. So I don't know what issues that will ever result in, if China's going to kind of crack down on this, if China's just letting them do this thing. I don't really know, but I was surprised. Obviously, they talk about wanting to do this globally, globally, but again, still being a company based out of China, I'm sure China won't be too happy and too excited about this. So I'm just kind of wondering how all of that is going to work out. That's my one question. But other than that, I think crypto mining is an awesome idea for most businesses. If it's something that makes sense, if it's something that you can get the infrastructure set up for, I think it is something that can pay serious dividends going into the future. And that is definitely something I would be excited about as an investor. But again, Chinese stocks in general, a little bit risky. People are a little bit hesitant, but especially crypto stocks in China, I don't know. That's a little interesting for me. But yeah, this company's sitting at right around $100 million market cap right now after its 65% move up today. Yeah, it's down 5% after hours, but again, being down 5% after hours after you're up 65% on the day, that's not too bad. You can't really complain too much, but it will be interesting to see where this company goes headed into the future, the next week, the next month, the next couple of years. It's anybody's guess, but I think this is some pretty good news. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about Pbts. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace!